some people just decide say they no want be man na women. My people for una we no know her name abi im name na Bobrisky. I dey sure say many of una know am na very known man wey don turn to woman. This person now don come outside dey insult all the girls. He say she go her boyfriend house. I don't know how man they go meet man self. Now she know. She said she go her boyfriend house as they spend the night together with loving and kissing. And so the man just give her 15 million naira cash. Hey! I don't know whether na true. I don't know whether na lie, my people. But video day. So I want make una see the money.
Those of you that will come to my Snapchat, oh, Bobrisky, he don't have a pussy, he don't have a breast, blah blah blah. She go again bomb, again yash. Happy? See waiting my pussy will no guess they give me. You that has the pussy, that has the breasts, wait till the pussy give you just one night, just a night, 15 million naira. See, I don't go out. I'm a bad bitch. But when I go out for reasonable money. All of you, all these girls that will go out, Snapchat all the whole world, go to all the parties in this Lagos. At the end of the day, you will only come back with just 500k, 200,000. Shame on your pussy.
Una hear wetin she dey talk? Say una wey don dey go. Abi how many of una dey go her Snapchat dey whine this person? She say all of una wey dey tell her say she no get breast, she no get this one. Say una don see wetin the thing wey she no get don bring, but una wey get am na 200k una dey come back with. See, my sister, I be my brother. I don't even know which one to call you, man, I be woman. But the thing be saying now, you just let us know by yourself, with yourself. Say you be correct akuna. You understand? Yes, because nobody tell you anything. Now you yourself come outside, come they tell us all your secrets. My people see, make una dey very careful with people like all these people where they come online. They can't validate their happiness, their life. they suffer. Now only for internet you go see them because they want show themselves. They know what they want make you see. See, wait I even want tell you self. That money, 15 million naira, keep on. You understand? Because we don't need them. Now you go even need them for pampers. Keep am. We don't need them. And as for I bet put in picture there because I dey show so many people don't even know who I dey talk about. As for the Lagos government, I be Lagosians, I don't give una, I don't bring una work. 15 million naira a day. So make una go collect tax. You understand? Collect tax because we need give am to NSAS petitioners. At least better people dey wey go use that money do better thing. You understand now? Now the thing be that. So now, my people, the thing where they pay me now be say this very person, I be this man, you go get people where they look up to, right? You go get people where they wish to dey like him. But una join for the foolishness because I don't know wetin dey here. Who una won't be like. I don't talk my mind now. So I still want to know wetin una think for this matter. Bobrisky. Your name self too risky. My people, Burna Boy don't cheat on Steph London with Jopek. African model. Now wow, my people, this matter what I bring una no be today talk. As I dey tell una this thing now, Burna Boy don't turn international sugar man. You know say for Ghana we get international fisherman, Nigeria we get international sugar man. My brother, I don't give you this title from today, and now wait I go to call you. Now wow, Yoruba men. Una too like, you understand? Idinlala backyard. Yoruba men too like backside. Now why anytime we did they think they just they think backwards because they are alive for everything. If you see Yoruba man where they look woman nyash. You yourself you go the hungry yourself to even start your own. Huh? Burna Boy. And I know it's matter even reach me my side. Oh. They see they tell me say, babe, if you see Burna Boy Gundus, no wonder people just they fight for this guy. They say the thing they carry weight and it dey occupy space. My people, no be small matter. So now wetin happen o, and now for now we no know the matter. Him first dey date Jopek. As he date, he can't finally put eye for Steflon. Can't cheat on Jopek now with Steflon. No be there end o. He still call waka from Steflon. He still cheat on. My people, wait. He date Jopek. He can't cheat on Jopek with Steflon. After that one, he still go back to Jopek again. And they say don't cheat on Steflon with Jopek. I beg, which kind of figure be that one? Triangle, love angle, abi tricycle, abi love circle, like the whole thing. I don't understand. Now one man they play with women head like say they don't even get. Burna Boy, you be baba. Hello, my people. So now the Jopek herself don't come outside because the girl don't tire. Frustration won't kill him. You understand? And I dey feel her pain, my people. It's no easy. And you know, say Burna Boy say fine, he get height. You understand? So everybody, she don't come outside by herself. Oh, say she no fit endure this thing again. Make her quote her own words. She say Burna Boy don't dey sleep with her for 2 years, and according to her, she don't tire. Say Burna Boy no fit dey hide am. Meanwhile, Steflon, I be wetin dey record that one name. Anyhow, now she dey carry all the glory for her head. Now she everybody know. You understand? Anyway, they go, they see Steflon with Burna Boy, but she dey one corner. My sister, you have become a side chick, oh, you know, automatically. So my people, yes, she don't come outside, can't talk, but that one no do. You understand? I need you to hear it with her, you understand, with her English. So make we watch her video.
At this moment in care, at this moment in time, I just don't really care anymore, because I feel like 2 years is such a long time for a person to be hidden. So at this moment I just feel like I'm gonna burst. It's just affected me in so many ways, and I just can't hold it in anymore to protect people that probably wouldn't protect me if there was a reverse. So when I met the person that you guys know as Burna, it was about 2 years ago. He DM'd me, and I didn't reply to the DM. It took about a week for me to reply. One of my girls actually persuaded me to reply, and so I did, unwillingly. He was sweet, he was funny, we exchanged numbers, and he invited me to his pop-up.
Men, nothing where they no go promise you as long as say they want enter that garden. And they go promise you heaven, earth, and the whole world together. Imagine you don't sleep with this girl 2 years. 2 years. No be even that one they make me laugh. Oh, you know what he add on top? You don't they tell this one say I will marry you. They tell Jopek, I will marry you. I will make you my wife. Don't worry, you are the only one. Men, my people, I will marry you. I will marry you. I will marry you. Don't turn on to Lord of the Rings, because for the past how many years this girl they wait till they want, but she try. You know how many girls? Me I no fit do this thing. No, where you go to watch your man. They carry all that time. If they go awards, all this their night celebrities things. If they carry the girl, if they flaunt them like saying a new handbag, I know that one. The girl go there, they watch. You know easy. My people, you know easy. What do you not think? See, make I tell you something first. Any relationship where you dey inside, women, and the man no they show you to people. They very careful. I not all say not the only way. Some relationships they way you understand, they feel introduce you to everybody yet they no go marry you. But at least the important people for the man life, suppose know say okay, oh, this person exists. You understand? Even in relationship where they don't know you, you don't finish. Oh, you suppose they careful. I mean, my people, wait till you not think. Make Steph Don, I be Stephanie Don. My sister, your name they confusing self. Make she break up, I be make she still dey there. Because the reason why Jopek can't do this video now, not to break them up. Now the only agenda we me I dey see for that video. Because she don't tire, so she don't go expose everything. For her mind, if we die, we die. So she need know where she dey stand. And not true. So I want to wait till I think. May she break up, may she leave them. I be waiting. No, how you think say this relationship is supposed to go? I be me Burna Boy dey the two of them. I still want to know an opinion. You understand? Drop am there.